Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to make a quick video for something that every IS and GS needs, especially if they're lowered, and it is this guy. Now this is such a crucial crucial thing whenever you lower your car. This is a roll center adjuster. This is an RCA. Comes in a pack of 4. I already put them on the passenger side just because I was doing it, and then I figured I should make a quick video just to show people that don't know how to install it, because it takes all of like 10 minutes. And let me show you guys a few reasons why it's a big deal to put these on if you guys have your car lowered. I got mine from Auto Sports Engineering. I've been following them on Instagram for a while, so I really like their stuff. It's CNC and all that, but you can't get them from like Megan Racing. They're not a very expensive product either. These ones that I got are 30 millimeters. You can get them in 17 millimeters. Megan Racing has some where they literally will add camber, so for all you stance boys. Part of the reason you guys are going to want RCAs is because you don't want to destroy your wheels when your ball joint breaks. You also don't want to crumple your fender. Like, that bend in it is from the wheel. And then I just noticed this recently, my tire pushed this in, because whenever your ball joint breaks on these cars, your wheel can just do whatever it wants. There's nothing controlling it anymore. So pulling this thing up onto a tow truck is a brutal sight to watch. But like I said, it's already done on this side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on the driver's side. So just to kind of help back my case up a little more, I know this is dark. This isn't a good shot because the sun's coming in from here, but you can still see how low the suspension is over here. We go to the driver's side, and it is nowhere near as low. And this is with the coilover adjusted back to where it needs to be matching ride height. So this is one of the bolts you're going to take off, and then the other one is right on the other side. When you guys do take out those bolts, all that's going to happen is you're just going to be able to pick up the rotor. You're going to place these basically in that space between it. You're going to set this whole thing back down on it and then toss the bolts in. So I'm going to set the camera up to record as I do it, and then you guys will see, and it's going to be cake. Remember, just a little bit of blue Loctite or something will help. Just have something on there. And that's literally it. That's all it is to install it. Torque it down and put your wheel on, torque the wheel down, and you're all good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.